Here's everything you will need to know when it comes to financing a vehicle and the good and bad things about financing a vehicle. What is financing and how does it work? You pick the vehicle that you're going to purchase, right? Once you're done picking that, you're going to agree on your price. So this is after you've negotiated and you got down to your final price. Then after you get your final price, everybody's got to pay taxes and whatever mandatory fees, right? I have videos on fees that aren't mandatory that you can negotiate off, but you pick your vehicle, you agree on price, and then you add your tax and your fees. Then you subtract your down payment and trade-in. Now you're going to finance the rest, and you're going to make monthly payments on the amount plus interest until it's paid off. Let me show you what I mean. So you're financing at $30,000. Remember, how do we get there? We negotiated the price, right? Plus taxes and fees, minus or plus any positive or negative equity you have from your trade-in. I have a video on positive and negative equity. Minus any money down. That's how we came up with the $30,000 that you're financing. The total amount financed is your principal amount. Now, the $30,000, for how long for are you keeping this vehicle, this $30,000 loan on this vehicle? So let's just say 72 months, which is 6 years long. So if you divide 72 months into $30,000, it comes out to $417 a month, but we still have to calculate interest unless you get 0% interest. What is interest? Interest is what the bank is going to charge you for giving you $30,000 for the next 72 months, and they're going to base that rate off the vehicle, the market, your credit, your age, all kind of different things, right? So say after they've done all their stuff, you get 6% rate. It's going to be used against the $30,000 for the vehicle. When you use 6% against $30,000, it comes up to $5,798 in interest. You add those two numbers together, so the amount you're financing plus the risk amount, which is the interest, the $5,798, comes up to a total amount of $35,798 that you are financing total. So that's the amount for the vehicle after everything's been added up, the $30,000, plus the interest will come out to $35,798. And then when you divide that across how long you're going to have it for, which is 72 months, it creates your payment of $497 a month. So you pay $497 a month for 72 months to completely pay off a $30,000 vehicle plus the interest the bank gave you for giving you that loan. When you're financing a vehicle, buying a vehicle with a loan, what's the good and what's the bad? The good is when you get done with all those monthly payments and you pay it off, you own it, you don't have any mileage restrictions, so you can drive it as much as you want with no penalties. You can keep it as long as you want. If you don't have the cash to buy a vehicle and you need a vehicle, you can finance it. What's the bad part of it, right? Well, it's a higher payment than a lease. It's gonna be my next video just like this. If it's already out, go check it out. Typically, your payment is just gonna be much higher when you're financing versus leasing. Interest adds cost. As you saw earlier, a 6% interest rate isn't actually bad at all. It's pretty good. Well, you went from buying $30,000 worth of vehicle to buying almost $36,000 worth of vehicle once you added the interest. What that simply means is if the vehicle is $30,000 plus the interest, almost $36,000, but a year later it's worth $15,000, you're going to owe a lot more money on the vehicle versus than what it's actually worth, which can trap you in that vehicle. Or it just makes it very hard for you to trade out of the vehicle. It's easier for you to overpay because most people who are trying to finance a vehicle, they're really worried about one thing, and that's monthly payment. So a lot of things can be done to make you look like you're getting a good deal, but because it meets your payment and you think you're getting a good deal, you're really not. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions when it comes to financing a vehicle, and for more content like this, follow Corey Creates Deals.